Hi guys! We're here at Thailand sa Charuchak and I met a new friend. He came from Vietnam. Tada!
Hello guys, my name is Karsten. I'm from Philippines but I work in Vietnam.
So baka may gugulat kayo, may kasama ako. Tapos bumili kami neto. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Okay, let's try the food. Hindi ako makikita. Sarap niya. Kaso maanghang siya.
Sino magbabayad?
No way. So I'll pay this. Okay, let's find something na maiinom. Last week. Kailangan dyan yung reaction mo.
Sarap.
Talaga. Hi guys! We're here at Chatuchak Market. Go! I don't know, super busog na ako. Ang dami ko nang nakain. Okay, nakaisa na po ako. We're back after all this time. So, ang dami namin nakikita dito. Hey guys, this is the typical street here in Thailand. Looks like Philippines. Hey guys, good morning. Today we're going to visit temples here in Thailand. We're just gonna do DIY. I just booked the half yesterday night at Klook, and we're gonna explore the temples here. But kung hanggang saan lang yung kaya ng paa ko. Okay, so see you later. So init. Bakit ba kasama ko to lagi? I'll try. It's good. It's good. You should try it. This one is good. Also this one. Hey guys, after 2 hours of bus travel, I'm here at Pattaya. We're here. Guys, we are going to check in here at Pattaya. Sige, mag-room tour tayo kasi hindi natin nagawa dun sa isang hotel sa Bangkok. This is my box. Ito na lang keycard mo. And tada! Our room for one night. One night lang kasi supposed to be just yesterday pa ako dito, pero plans change, kaya ayan. Oh, the room is full. CR. Okay. And, oh, gusto ko pa dito magstay. Hi guys! Today we are going to visit Sanctuary of Truth and dito tayo sa online booking.